It's coming up May 19th and 20th in Atlantic City. It's right around the corner. It's like it'll be here tomorrow when we wake up, I'm for sure. It's coming
Right.
really fast. And we have a lot of really fun things going on at the expo this year. I have something new I want to announce today. I'm so excited about. And with us, we have some guests. So I'm going to go around the room, let everybody see who they are. But we have two shop owners on here that go to the GRE every year. So we're going to definitely pick their brain and just go over some things about the GRE and shops. So, Jeremy, you want to go first? Who are you?